did you get in here?
I told you this wasn't the ladies' room.
Get him!
Hands off my friend!
Sure. Listen, kid, it's over. Get out of my way! Hey, take it easy.
Looks like Bobby's gonna need to find another attraction. Sammy? Yeah! Oh,
I got you covered.
you totally saved my butt back there.
Saving people's butts. The Sammy Gutierrez story.
You know, Sammy, your name's also on my list of loyal and amazing friends.
Oh, yeah?
Totally. It goes Bumpy, Corn Dogs, then you.
We've got a problem.